Before we start game development, we need to set up environment. And in this video, I will show you how to install everything from scratch. Hey, I'm Vikas Prasad and this is Learn with Learner. In the previous video, we have talked about the roadmap and how to become a good game developer. But in this video, we will proceed to install the necessary environment for game development. Like we need to code C++. For that, we will install VS Code and GCC Compiler. And then we will also set up Visual Studio for Unreal Engine. And then we will install Unreal Engine. So let's start it. Install the GCC compiler first. We will search on browser msys2.org, or directly you can search msys2. Okay. Then I will click on first link. There will be two options for installation: normal Windows and ARM64 based. We will click on normal one. Okay, it will start downloading. Yeah, after it downloaded, we have to install it. Then we will double click on it, and it will open an installation window. Click next. Make sure location should be default. Okay, then click next. It's installing now. It may take a while, so please wait. See, the installation is done. So finish this. Okay. Then a terminal window will open. You have to write some programs or some code to execute and install the GCC compiler. So first write pacman dash capital S YU for updating packages. Okay, it will update package as per your internet speed. Okay, click Y, then enter. Yeah. It may take a while. As you see, the installation is done. So we will close this window. Okay, and reopen this window again. Yeah. So write pacman space dash capital S small u. Okay, then enter. Please check the description. A code of the installation of GCC compiler will be given there. Then you have to write that code in this terminal. It should be exactly same that I have written. Okay, then press enter and then Y and enter. It may take a while. As the installation is done and the GCC compiler is installed, go to the folder where you have installed it, and go to the msys64 ucrt64 and then bin. You have to copy this location. Copy it. Okay, then open the environment variables. Go to the environment variables and you have to paste that location in path. So go to the path, edit, and click on new, and then you have to paste the location that I have pasted before. Okay, you have to do same thing on the user variable and system variable. Okay, as the GCC compiler is installed, now I have to check is it installed properly or not. For this, I have to open cmd and I will write GCC space dash dash version. Okay, then you will see some version and info, like we have 16.1.0 GCC installed. Now check one more thing, G++ space dash dash version. Click enter. Now you can see it is installed properly. So close it. Now let's install the VS Code. Okay. So we will search VS Code on the browser. Yeah. We will click on first link and let it load. Now download the installer as per your software. So I will download Windows once. Let it download. Yeah, it's downloaded. Click on it. Install. Click accept. Next. Now you have to tick both add options. Okay. Then click on next. Because I have previously installed the VS Code, so I will close this installation window. Okay. Now I will open the VS Code. Yeah. Let's close this and open a new folder. Let me create a folder, like it could be CPP course. Okay, I think, and we will complete all the course in this folder, CPP course. Yeah. Let's select this folder. Okay. Now you have to check some extensions you should have installed, like C++. You have to install this. Now let me check, is there any other extensions left or not. Wait. I think only C and C++ is needed. So install it. Now I will create a new file, test.cpp. Okay. I will create the GCC compiler. Is it working properly or not? So let me write some code, include iostream. Yeah. Then I will write int main. It is the main function, and then some output. Okay. So we will write std colon colon and cout, like, let me write welcome to learn with learner. Okay. Now there's one more step, like I can write return 0. It's basically a status code that so that the code will work. Yeah, code execution is passed. Okay. Like 0 means passed, 1 means failed. So if you don't write this, don't worry, C++ will consider return 0 by itself, but the best practice is to write return 0 at the end of the main function. Yeah. So let's save this. Okay, then open the terminal. Like I have terminal window open, so I will write the execution command, that will be z plus plus, then my file name test.cpp. Okay, then output name will be test. Okay, it will generate a new file called test.exe. So you have to run it in the terminal. So check in left, you have a new file test.exe. So run it, then program will be executed and the output is welcome to learn with learner. As we have installed the VS Code and the GCC compiler, let's install Visual Studio. So search in browser Visual Studio, then click on the first link. Yeah, you will click on get free download, then it will download the installer. Click on open file, it will run the installer and then continue. It will install the Visual Studio installer. Okay, in Visual Studio installer you will get a fresh window where you have some available versions like Visual Studio Community 2026. You have to install this. Okay, you won't get this window, you will directly get this window. You have to select development with C++. Okay, desktop development with C++. Find it and click it. You can also click on mobile ones and game development with CPP ones. If you don't want, you cannot, but it is recommended to install it for further Unreal projects. Okay, let me check. Are all things selected? Yes, it is. Then click on install. It may take a while as per your internet speed. Now the Visual Studio is successfully installed. So close this window. Then it is installed. We will check it further. Okay. Now let's install the Unreal Engine. Yeah. We will search Unreal Engine 5 on browser. Yeah, click on the first link and you may check all the features of Unreal Engine 5 in this browser. It's like having advanced 3D creation tools, powerful Unreal Fortnite editor, and many more features like advanced audios and metahumans. You can check it on this website and let's download first. We will download the Epic Games launcher first. As the download done, we will click on it. It will open the installation window. Like I have previously installed this Epic Games launcher, then I will directly go to the Epic Games application. You have to install it before proceeding here. Then if you have installed it, then go to the Unreal Engine section and library. You may find something like Unreal Engine 5.8, and if you don't have any version there, click on plus and choose Unreal Engine 5.8.0 and click on install. Yeah, then you can change your folder location. You have to change some options like what are the option. Click on Android. Okay, and you may click on iOS 2. Yeah, let's apply it. You can change the folder too if you want. Click on install again. Choose the options like I've said Android, and let's proceed with Android for now. Click on install. Installation it started. You may check here in the download section. It may take a while and it may take few minutes or hours as per your internet speed. Okay, so as the Unreal Engine 5.8 is installed, so let's check this. Okay, let's launch the Unreal Engine 5.8.0 because further projects will be done in the same version of engine, so it is recommended to install same version. If you get any pop-up window, click on allow or yes to continue. Yes, allow. It may take a while to initialize the engine. uh, it's loading. The window is loaded now. Let's check how the Unreal Engine projects are created. Okay, you may not have any previous projects, so click on new project. You may see a bunch of options like blueprints, C++. Where is C++? Okay, there is, you can choose. Okay, you can see many options like first person, third person, handled, VR. You can also work like film, video, live events, and many options are in Unreal Engine. Okay, so let's see. You can choose create and you can choose target platforms, quality presets. So it's like this. Congratulations, your development environment is now ready. If you have faced any issue during the installation, let me know in the comments. I will do my best to help. In the next lesson, we will write our first CPP program and start our programming journey. Thanks for watching this video. This is Learn with Learner. So let's build the games.